Hello friends, I'm going to show you how to be fluent in English. People are trying in different ways. They learn grammar, they learn vocabulary, they learn idioms, they learn everything possible. But finally they can't speak the language. They have a very good knowledge. Any exam given they will pass it. But why they are not fluent? What is fluency? There are different levels of fluency. That is conversational fluency is the fluency that I think you are thinking of. That is what is important. I'm going to ask you one question. It's a very important question that is really critical. When you think about small kids, just say that kids are going to kindergarten, that is Montessori. Are they fluent in Sinhalese language? Yeah, they are fluent in Sinhalese language. How do you know that they are fluent? Because they talk about anything, almost everything. Clear. They are fluent. Do you think that their vocabulary is really rich? They know idioms. They know grammar. No, they have no idea of single grammar. They have no idea of single idioms. No vocabulary that much, But they speak what they want. Anything. How can they talk about almost anything? They have tuned their ears. They have tuned their brain. They have Sinhalese brain. How? They have listened to conversations. Have they done grammar? No. So therefore, learning to speak the language is not learning grammar. It is really good if you learn grammar, no problem, yeah. But you have to be exposed to the language. Today it is really easy to be fluent in English language or any language that you want. Especially English language, because we have been exposed to English language for a long period of time. At school, in classes, in courses or whatever. The problem is not our English language. The problem is the way you handle it. Maybe you will learn another 20 years English grammar and vocabulary, idioms or whatever, everything. But at the same time, you won't be able to speak the language. Why is that? You're not tuning your brain. So, if you like to know how we can be fluent within short period of time, maybe 3 months, I'm talking about conversational fluency, not to be a master of the conversation, but you will be able to talk about what you want with your vocabulary. That is fluency, conversational fluency. You can acquire that within a short period of time, but you should learn how to do that. So we have created a program, EnglishWind Blueprint, to show you how to be fluent at home without going to teachers or courses or whatever. But first you should understand how to use the resources you have, resources from internet especially, to be fluent, listening and reading. And there are different things that you will see that. The product is EnglishWind Blueprint of 13 videos. Gradually, step by step, they will show you how to be fluent at home. When you have free time, you can do that. We are launching the program this 10th, that is August 10th. If you are really interested, send us a WhatsApp message to the number on screen. We will send you details. Okay, bye. Wish you all the best.